Rekam. Everyone can sit down. Okay. So how are you today? Good. Okay. Have you already eat your lunch?
Yes.
Okay. If you already eat your lunch, if you are full, right?
Yes.
So you can stay focused in my class until the end of my lesson. Okay? Okay? So today I want to introduce myself. So what is my name? Cikgu Syabil. Okay? So this is me, Cikgu Syabil. So for today, I want to show you and introduce you another 3 guys that relate to me. So can you look at this photo? Okay. So I want to introduce, this is Shafiq, which is my younger brother, okay? And I have 2 older brothers named Shamil and Shakil. Yes?
Shakil, is it twin also?
No, not twin. This is different person. Okay. So, altogether, there are 4 siblings in my family. Okay. So if you look at us carefully, each of us has different name and also different face, right? Okay. But do you know what? We are belong to the same
Father, mother.
family. Do you know why?
No.
No? Okay.
Same father, same
Because
mother.
we are, all of us are sharing the same
Genetic.
family name or father's name, which is all of us are Ben. This is my father, okay? Can you see? Okay. Okay. What is my father's name? Okay. So even though are having the same family name, showing that us belong to the same family. Okay. I want to ask you guys, in chemistry, there are any compounds that are different but can still be grouped together because they share similar characteristics?
Maybe.
What is it called? So in organic chemistry, there are compounds like this that are called homologous series. So today we will learn about homologous series. Salim, can I get you to help me? Okay, thank you, Salim. So, at the end of this lesson, the students will be able to explain the meaning of homologous series accurately, and then you guys are correctly identify each homologous series with its functional group and also general formula for alkane, alkene, alkyne, alcohol, carboxylic acid and ester that you will learn later, okay? And lastly, you will be able to explain the physical properties and strengths of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes in the throughout the presentation that you will do later, okay? So you guys ready for this class? Yes. For the first lesson of today is we will learn about what is the meaning of homologous series. So homologous series is a group of organic compounds that have the same functional group, share the same general formula, and show similar chemical properties and exhibit a gradual change in physical properties as the number of carbon atom increases. Okay, again, homologous series is a group of organic compounds that has a functional group, and last, okay, so you just know about the meaning of homologous series, and now, okay, so we will learn about the example for homologous series. So in homologous series, there are 6 examples of homologous series, which are, for the first one is alkane. Okay. For the second one is alkene. Okay. The third one next alcohol. Okay. And then carboxylic acid. Okay. And lastly ester. So there are how many class? 6. Okay. So each of these, although they are different, but each of these has its own functional groups and also general formula. So far you guys understand? Yes. Okay. So for next we move to the next part, which is functional groups and general formula. Okay. So if we I want to ask you guys, what do you know about functional group?
No.
No? You don't know, okay. Basically, functional group is a specific group of atoms. So, functional group is a specific group of atoms that is responsible for the characteristic chemical reaction of homologous series. Okay. So if you look at this one, alkane, the functional group for alkane is single bond between carbon atoms. Okay. So the general formula for alkane is C. You guys can see?
Yes.
Okay. What is the general formula for alkane?
CnH2n+2.
So, how to calculate the general formula for alkane? Okay, here. What you know? What is n means? Number of what?
Number of
Okay, so n is represent of number of carbon in the longest chain, okay? So how to calculate the general formula for alkane? Here, okay, what is the formula for alkane? Okay. Let's say the number of carbon is 1. Okay. So how to calculate? You just replace n with 1. Okay. H2 1 plus 2. So what is the formula?
Four.
So, when you get this compound, this is what we call molecular formula. You can see? Okay. Let's say if number of compound number of carbon is 2. So
C2H2
2 plus 2. So you get
C2H2
plus 2 is 6. So you guys understand? Okay. Now we move to the second homologous series, which is alkane or alkene. For alkene, the functional group is double bond between carbon atoms. So the general formula for alkene is CnH2n. So let's say alkene. Alkene is double bond. So if we take one number of carbon atom, can or cannot?
Cannot.
Because of what? Yes, because it is double bond. So it requires at least 2 carbon atoms to determine the functional of the double bond. Okay. So let's say the number of carbon atom is 2. So what is the formula for alkene? CnH2n. So C2H4. Yes, that is how you calculate the general formula for this homologous series. Okay, for today I will teach you how to calculate the general formula for alkane and alkene only. Okay, for the alkyne, alcohol, carboxylic acid and ester, I will teach you in the next lesson. Okay. Okay. For today, I just briefly to you what is the functional group and general formula for all these 6 homologous series. So for the third one is alkyne. So alkyne is triple bond between carbon atom, and the general formula for alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Okay, for alcohol, the functional group is hydroxyl group, which is OH. So for alcohol, is same like alkane. Just replace the hydrogen part with OH. Okay. And then for carboxylic acid, the functional group is what? Carboxyl group, COOH. So the general formula for carboxylic acid is CnH2n plus 1 COOH. Okay. And lastly for ester, the functional group for ester is ester linkage, which is COO. You know what? Ester is made of carboxylic acid and alcohol. So when we combine carboxylic acid and alcohol, it will produce ester. Okay? So the general formula for ester is CnH2n plus 1 COOC and H2n plus 1. This is okay. This, you know what M is meaning for? Okay. M is also same with N. M is also same with N, which is number of carbon atom. But for ester, they are separate into 2 parts, which is N is number of carbon atom for carboxylic acid part, okay, and M is the number of carbon atom for alcohol part. So you can understand?
Yes.
Okay. You can understand? We move to the next part, which is naming. So, you can see?
Yes.
Okay. For naming of organic compounds, there are two benda penting yang you kena ingat, okay? Okay. For the first one is root name and also suffix. So, the root name is represent of number of carbon atoms in the
Longest
chain,
chain.
and suffix is represent the
Homologous series.
So as you can see here, if number of atom is 1, the root name is
Meth.
Okay, for carbon number 2, the root name is F. Carbon number 3,
Pro.
carbon number 4,
Good.
and carbon number 5 is
Fence.
Okay, so for the suffix, okay, for example, is alkane. The suffix is
In.
N. Okay, the alkene is
Ain.
the alkyne is and the alcohol is carboxylic acid. And lastly, ester is. So how to name these organic compounds is when we combine the root name plus suffix, and then you will get the correct name for organic compound. Okay, for example, carbon number 1 is the root name is okay. Okay, carbon number 1 is meth. Okay. Let's say for alkane, so the suffix is A. So the name is methane. So this is the name of methane, which is carbon for number 1. Okay, let's say carbon number 2 for alkene. Ethene. Okay, right. And then for alcohol, let's say the number of carbon is 4. Okay. For alcohol, 4 is the root name is wood. Okay. But for alcohol, the suffix A, the root name is kind of different, which is it take from what we call alkane. So for naming the alcohol part, it takes from this. Okay, butane. So for butane, butanol. So you can understand?
Yes.
Any question to ask?
No.
So you guys remember when I mentioned earlier about my family, which is there are 4 siblings in my family. Each of us have different face and name, right? But we all belong to the same family. Similarly to in chemistry, when you found methane, ethane, propane, so all of these belong to what family? Alkane family. Okay. Okay. Another, if you similarly, if you found propanol,
Alcohol.
butanol, and pentanol,
Alcohol.
to the family?
Alcohol.
Itu siapa?
Wait,
Okay. So you guys understand?
Yes.
Okay. For the next part, you will learn about physical properties and type of alkane, alkanes, and alkynes, right?
Yes.
But we are not cover this today. So we will cover it in the next lesson. Okay. So you guys understand so far?
Yes.
So we move to the next part, which is activity. Okay. For activity, I want to test you guys for individually. Okay. So there are two sections here, which is for section A is meaning of homologous series, and section B is functional group and general formula for homologous series. So you guys need to answer it. Okay. So I give you 5 minutes to answer. Okay. Any question that you do not? Yes. 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 Everyone finish? finish yet? Lambat. Hafiz, do you finish yet? Yes. Okay, everyone finish? So you all can answer the question? Now I want you to share the answer. So who want to volunteer to share the answer for number 1? Who want to volunteer to answer the question for number 1? Anika, okay? What is the answer for number 1?
What is meant by a homologous series? It is a group of organic compounds that have the same functional groups, share the same general formula, similar chemical properties, and exhibit a gradual change in physical property as the number of carbon atoms increases.
So everyone got the same answer? Yes. Okay. Everyone got wrong for that question? No. Okay. Next, who want to volunteer to answer for section B? There are 6 questions. So, who want to volunteer for every part? Which is okay. Alif, you volunteer for alkane only.
The general formula is CnH2n plus 2, which is functional group is single bond.
For what compound? What homologous series?
Alkane.
Alkane, okay. So, everyone got the same answer?
Yes.
Next, who want to volunteer? Alright, okay, alkene. Everyone listen?
And the functional group of alkene is double bond.
Okay, so everyone got the same answer? Same. Next for alkyne. Alkyne. Okay, Gina? Okay, what is the answer?
Okay. For alkyne general formula CnH2n minus 1, functional group minus 2, functional group electron bond between carbon atom.
Okay, so everyone?
Yes.
Okay, same. Next for alcohol. Alcohol, carboxylic acid and ester. 1% only.
Fina.
Who want to volunteer? Oh, okay, Fina.
Alcohol, general formula CnH2n plus 1 OH, functional group hydroxy.
Hydroxy group, OH, right? Okay. Next for carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid.
Carboxylic acid, general formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH, functional group carboxyl group.
Okay, and last one, ester.
Ester CnH2n plus 1 COO CmH2n plus 1, functional group dia ester COO.
Okay, COO. Okay, so everyone got the same answer? So, you guys understand what I just teach you just now? Okay, so we can conclude here that just like homologous series that have the similar characteristic, and in the same way, compounds in the homologous series may have different carbon or carbon change. So, as just we appreciate the homologous series, we also must appreciate our own family, and then value your parents and care the member of our family that form a strong bond of family. Okay? So you guys understand? So I want someone or 1 or 2 people to conclude for today. What do you learn? So someone?
We learn about the functional group.
Isha, you want to answer?
We learn about the
Okay.
functional group.
First?
Alpha, alkane.
Okay, first you learn about the definition. Okay, so what is the definition for homologous series?
Homologous
And then you learn about.
Functional group and general formula.
Okay, I want to ask you the functional group for alkene. Okay, so you will understand about that. Okay, so for follow-up activities for your homework, I want you guys to make a mind map about what did you just learn today, which is homologous series. What the meaning of homologous series and functional group and general formula. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that's all for today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Wow.